to one of the arrows, to the first arrow.
Okay,
Is
one
that
second.
right?
Yes, brother, 1 second. Again, I do. Again, I do. Someone is messaging me. That's it. 1 second, we stop that errors. We remove that one is the parameters. So we remove
One parameter.
and that parameters we remove. In this case, and we remove the parameters, the result is not fine. 1 second, I show you that output. Now you understand that they are asking to model is probability unidentified. In order to achieve the identified, it will be the probability necessary impose the one additional constant. So where
Yeah, yeah.
that is the issue. So how to address that issue?
Yeah, great.
That
It
issue
worked.
is that is the parameters. So you need to the select the one. You put out the probability is the one. Then you run the model. That is working. Now is working.
Yeah, yeah.
That
That works.
that and after you check that results your model. So model fitness, that is that definitely that is that inside is the increase. So many things. In this case, you select come on the point and the model. So what you need to select are the PCA. So you no need to the estimate. No need to the estimate because that these things is no need. Just you need the
Mm.
modified insights because your model is missing. Data is missing. That is the occurring the issues. You see that is comments is showing is the data is missing. You see, in order to analysis data with missing observation, you must be the specially estimate the means and intercept. So that's the reasons we need to the select of estimate and
Uh-huh.
then we run the model. That's also and that computer and complete the data. That's is the occurring the issue. So now I upload the data. Next one which I used before you sending me, I had to do the corrections. Now I run the model. That's is working. No need to estimate. Run the model. That's it. The data is working. So that's it. Now you need and output. 1 second. 1 second. And that one is estimate model fitness. That's is the parameters. So the modifies. That's is you need to the indicators that we need to the parameters. 5 to 6, 4 to 5, 3 to 6, and 3 to 5, 2 to 4. These are the parameters 1 to 3. So we need to go on model and we stop that probability. They're asking out 1 to 3, and other one is output is
I'm
asking
sorry.
5 to
Are
6.
you actually connecting the errors based on the charts that you saw in the output, or
Yes,
okay?
Why do we have to do that? That to
one
make the model fit?
increase your model fitness values.
Uh-huh. Okay. I'm sorry. Apologies. How do we know that we have to, for example,
I explain.
connect
I ex-
ESX to E5?
I explain to you. I explain to you. Don't worry.
Good.
You see, the before the model fitness values, what is coming to and insights is that cumulative of degree freedom is 9. Now is 3, and that RMR value is 0.27, and the CFI value is above the 0.95. So that's kind
Mhm.
of that we need to Remisha value is 0.68, and that's it. Still you need to check and that 1 to 5 we need and to indicate the arrows, and then we do improve your model fitness values. Now 1 to
So we have to examine if, for example, A6 to E5 meet the required value,
1 sec.
right? So to make sure that they meet
Look,
the required value, we have
look,
to connect those two errors.
look. Now is the model values. That's parameters. That inside modification inside. They know any kind of the parameters. That's it. That is okay. And model estimate that factor loading. This is the factor loading of your model. that model fit values and that estimate this is the factor loading, and you need to the check of the factor loading, and that's it. That's where we need to the corrections.